Good morning, dreamers. It is the last day here on board the Galactic Starcruiser. We are up around 7:30, kind of getting things packed up and ready to head home. So let me tell you a quick little bit about the timeline on your last day. So they start serving breakfast really early, around 7 o'clock. You can either have a grab and go breakfast or they do have a breakfast buffet. But you have to be off the starship by 9:30. So it definitely is, again, similar to a cruise. You have to be off really, really early in the morning. Now you can take your luggage off yourself, and we packed pretty light, so we're easy to do that. But they also give you tags, and you can leave your luggage out at 8 a.m. if you want to have them take your luggage out for you. So several options to make it as convenient on you as possible. But for now, we're getting packed up. See, it's so early I can't talk. For now, we're getting packed up, and then we're gonna get breakfast, definitely some coffee, a lot of coffee, and then get our stuff and head off. Cheers. Let's open up our window to see if we can see our home planet, Chandrila. That's where this Star Cruiser is based. Oh, that's so cool. And there's Chandrila. And look at all the, I was gonna say planes. Look at all of the spacecraft this morning. There are a lot of them out there. Look at that. This must be definitely a very popular planet. That is so cool. I still can't believe this is our view. Last night, everybody wanted to shut this so they could get some sleep, you know, because there's all these lights. And I'm like, no, just leave it on. I want that to be my view all night. This is the coolest. Are you awake yet? Are you sure? How about now?
Don't worry.
How about now? How about now? The tack hand. The tactical hand. Are you awake?
I'm awake.
Are you awake? Barely. Luke, I am your father. I love that shirt. Was that a Father's Day shirt?
Yep.
Good morning.
My apologies. It's already getting busy, but I'm so pleased to have one last opportunity to talk with you. I must admit, I'm still buzzing from all the excitement last night. How are you feeling?
Tired.
Sad to go home.
It has been quite a memorable voyage. After all our time spent together, I can't stop thinking about your heroism during your stay on the Halcyon. Your bravery has been inspiring. Will you continue your efforts to support the Resistance?
Yes.
I knew it. So, are you ready to board your launch pod back to Chandrila?
Yes.
Wonderful. Then I'm confident you'll be ready to depart on time, as soon as I've thoroughly reviewed your preparations. Now, I hear some star cruisers use a space vacuum to clear out their cabins. They just open the viewport and everything gets sucked out into the vacuum of space. But thanks to my 87-point departure checklist, our process is far superior and safer. Shall we begin?
Yes.
87 points.
Good. Then let's get started. Item 1. Will you be bringing home any wild or unusual creatures today?
Just the kids.
Does my son count?
Wonderful. Then you have experience getting them to behave in public. Did you acquire them to keep as a companion or for protection purposes?
Yes.
I can see this is going to be a long journey for the rest of your party.
Going up.
You must sit down, didn't you?
I did, I'm gonna sit down. Going somewhere. Ooh, it's nice and quiet this morning out there.
Like we were only here for 2 nights.
Since we've all been on such a harrowing adventure together, I'm sure you could agree that our paths are forever intertwined. Wherever your journey takes you next, I hope that the spirit of adventure always finds you. And thank you for choosing to fly with Chandrila Starlines.
Thank you. Back home. Anja, that's a big scarf. What's that?
What that was.
Yep. There's the store. This is the super secret store at the end. We are taking the minivan back to Disney's Boardwalk Inn to get our car. So excited that the minivans are back! Isn't this the cutest? We are back to our car, so our journey here has officially ended. It's time to go home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Love you all.
It would be a tragedy to forget any valuables or family members in your cabin. Why do you think passengers so often do that?
I don't know.
Please make sure everyone is accounted for. I would recommend a head count, especially for those who have multiple heads. As for now, just make sure you're fully clothed, have all members of your party, and gather any jackets, handbags, or jetpacks for your departure. This has been such a memorable voyage. I'm going to miss you.